Open Google Chrome. This method will work for both Android and iOS devices. Tap the three dots. This is located in the upper right corner. Tap Settings. This will take you to a list of browser settings. Tap Site Settings. This will take you to a list of additional content settings. On iOS, this option is labeled Content Settings. Tap Pop-ups and Redirects. A slider will appear to toggle Chrome's pop-up blocker. The slider moved to the left indicated that pop-ups will be blocked, to the right indicates that pop-ups will be allowed. Open Google Chrome. This method should work for Chrome on any desktop operating system, including Windows, Chromebook, or Mac OS. Click the Menu button. It is located in the upper right menu and appears as three vertical dots. Select Settings. This will open a new tab with the Chrome Settings menu. Select Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. You can also allow or disallow pop-ups on some websites. Open Google Chrome. Browser extensions can only be installed on the desktop version of the browser. Click the Menu button. It is located in the upper right menu and appears as three vertical dots. Click Chrome Web Store. A new tab will open to the extensions page of the Chrome Web Store. Select the search bar above and search for an Adblock extension. Click Add to Chrome. Chrome will automatically install the extension to the browser.